nervous that how I'm going to stay about for a week and how I'm going to manage, but it was so good.
It was really fun and it was a really memorable experience.
The arrangement by Generation Alpha was just perfect, and I'm grateful to them for arranging this trip. I was nervous yet excited because it was my first ever international trip to Dubai and it was really fun.
I was really nervous. I also remember the first time when my parents received the circular of the trip. They were like, let's just go to the trip, it's fine.
I feel more confident in my last few days and learned more about the universities of Dubai like MIT, UK, Curtin and RIT.
So I was actually very excited to come on this trip because I've never been on a solo trip before and I think it is going pretty great. So I was excited.
My Dubai experience has been excellent so far. We have been to many universities, we have done many workshops and some exciting places like the desert safari, the beach and all and all.
I was really excited before coming to this trip. Like it was my first time traveling alone solo without my parents. I really missed home, but it was a great experience so far.
Dubai experience so far was very good, and now we are going to Global Village, and I experienced a lot of universities I visited in this Dubai, and Desert Safari, Burj Khalifa, famous places over here, and my experience was good.
I feel more confident in the last few days of my experiential learning because we have visited many universities in Dubai and I have known how university life of a student is different from a life of a student in a school.
I was very excited for this trip and especially to see the Burj Khalifa.